Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary tutorial. We're going to do a quick little tutorial based on a request. Remember, I always want to know what you want to see, so tell me down in the comments, and if I can make that happen, I will. The request we're fulfilling today is showing how to wirelessly pair your phone on the 2021 Honda Accords that are so properly equipped to do so. This is an Accord Touring 2.0, so it does have wireless capabilities for your phone. So let's hop into the interior, and I'll show you how easy it is to do this. Okay guys, here's what we're going to do. Very easy. Go to smartphone connection. We're going to hit connect new device. And as you can see, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto instructions for both, depending on what device you have. And since I have an iPhone, we're going to go right here to Bluetooth. And here's what I've noticed. This might be very helpful to you. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see hands-free link down there. And that's what you're going to click on. And there we go. We're basically ready. See how it's asking for me to pair? I'll allow that. Here's the information on the screen. Give that just a few seconds to pair and do its thing. And now we're set. Hit yes. And we should be ready to go. So we're going to go back here. And as you can see, there's my phone. So let me just show you on the screen real quick, just so you can see. Here's what I have. That's my phone right there, and then we're going to go right here to recents, and as you can see, they are the same. So my phone has easily been wirelessly connected, and that is how you use wireless connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this Honda Accord. And there you go guys, that is how easy it is to wirelessly connect on one of these new Honda Accords, the 2021 models, as like I said, if your vehicle is properly equipped. If you want to see another tutorial on one of these Accords or any other vehicle, let me know down in the comments, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.